Alright, so we just got one big problem here that should convey the idea here, the concept of distributive property in algebra. So here we've got the negative 6x squared y times the 1, 2, 3, 4 term cubic polynomial. And so when we do this, we're going to multiply this negative 6x squared y in 4 different times. And each part of this monomial gets multiplied by each term inside the polynomial. So negative 6 gets multiplied by the 4. That's negative 24. The x squared gets multiplied by the x cubed. So the product rule says we combine them together. That's x to the power of 5. And there is no y, so we just keep the one y that we have. We can even cross him off. We're done. Let's go to negative 10 times negative 6. That's positive 60. X squared times x squared, whoops, I'm going to make sure I do the arc, is x to the power of 4. And then there's no y, so we just keep the y that we originally multiplied in. All right, third term that we're multiplying, negative 6 times 9 is negative 54. X squared times x is x 1, 2 cubed. Y times y, so 1 and then 2 is y squared. And we're done with that third term, and then finally we're going to multiply it by its fourth term. Negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. X squared, there's no x's here, so x squared stays with him, and then y, same thing, y. And we're done.